Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Today we're tackling something nobody likes to mention, bad breath or halitosis. It's awkward, it's common, and it can really mess with your confidence. But here's the good news, it's totally fixable. We'll break down the real causes and give you practical, step-by-step secrets for fresh breath. By the end, you'll have the tools to keep your breath fresh and your confidence high. No more awkward moments or subtle leaning away. So grab a seat, maybe a glass of water, and let's dive in. We're covering everything from basics to pro tips. Let's get started. The foundation of fresh breath? What's the secret to that clean, confident feeling that lasts? It's not about quick fixes or temporary solutions. It's about establishing a solid base, a daily practice that keeps your mouth healthy and your breath fresh. We're talking about the fundamentals, the non-negotiable habits that form the cornerstone of good oral hygiene. Solid oral hygiene. This is where it all begins. Think of it as building a house. You can't start with the roof. You need a strong foundation first. And in the world of fresh breath, that foundation is a consistent and effective oral care routine. Brushing twice a day for 2 minutes is non-negotiable. Morning and night without fail. Set a timer, use an electric toothbrush with a built-in timer, or play a 2-minute song. Whatever it takes to ensure you're giving your teeth the attention they deserve. This isn't just a quick scrub, it's a thorough cleaning that removes plaque and bacteria, the primary culprits behind bad breath. Don't rush it. Pay attention to each tooth, reaching all surfaces, including the back teeth that are often neglected. Use gentle, circular motions to avoid irritating your gums. Remember, consistency and technique are key. Floss daily. Make it a habit, just like brushing. Keep floss in your bathroom, your car, or your desk at work, wherever you're most likely to remember to use it, to get rid of hidden bacteria between your teeth. Brushing alone can't reach these tight spaces, where food particles and plaque accumulate, leading to bad breath and other dental problems. And don't forget your tongue. It's often overlooked, but it plays a significant role in your breath's freshness. It's a hot spot for odor-causing bacteria. The tongue's rough surface provides the perfect breeding ground for these bacteria, which release volatile sulfur compounds that contribute to bad breath. Use a tongue scraper or your toothbrush. Gently scrape from the back of your tongue to the front, rinsing the scraper after each stroke. You'll be surprised at how much debris you remove. Think of your mouth as a city, a bustling metropolis with its own ecosystem. Your brush, floss, and scraper are the cleanup crew. They're the sanitation workers, the waste management team, keeping your oral environment clean and healthy. If you skip these steps, if you neglect your oral hygiene, nothing else will work for long. Mints, gum, and mouthwash can only mask the problem temporarily. They don't address the underlying cause of bad breath, which is bacteria buildup. So make this routine your ritual. Embrace it as a vital part of your daily self-care. Brush, floss, scrape, every day. Consistency is paramount. Don't let a day slip by without giving your mouth the attention it deserves. This is your best defense against bad breath. It's the shield that protects you from embarrassing moments and social anxieties. Everything else builds on this. Mouthwash, breath sprays, and other products can be helpful additions, but they're only effective when used in conjunction with a solid oral hygiene routine. Don't just mask odors, eliminate them at the source. Target the bacteria that cause bad breath, and you'll experience a lasting improvement in your breath's freshness. Commit to this, and you're already ahead of the game. You're taking control of your oral health and setting yourself up for success. Your mouth, and everyone you talk to, will thank you. Fresh breath is more than just a cosmetic concern. It's a sign of good oral health and a key to confident social interactions. Let's dive into something fundamental, something we often overlook in our quest for fresh breath: water. It's not just a thirst quencher, it's a powerful ally in your oral hygiene arsenal. We're constantly bombarded with advertisements for mouthwashes, mints, and gums, but sometimes the simplest solution is the most effective. It's your secret weapon for fresh breath. Think of it as a natural breath freshener, always on hand and ready to work its magic. But how exactly does water contribute to a fresher, cleaner mouth? Staying hydrated keeps saliva flowing, which is absolutely crucial for maintaining a healthy oral environment. Saliva isn't just there to keep your mouth moist. It plays a vital role in neutralizing acids, remineralizing teeth, and, most importantly for our purposes, washing away food debris, which naturally cleans your mouth and fights odor. It's like a built-in mouthwash, constantly working to keep things fresh and clean. When you're dehydrated, saliva production decreases, leading to a host of problems, including bad breath. Dry mouth is a breeding ground for bacteria, the very culprits behind unpleasant odors. Without sufficient saliva, these bacteria thrive, multiplying rapidly and releasing volatile sulfur compounds, which are the primary cause of bad breath. So sip water throughout the day. Don't wait until you feel parched. Make it a conscious effort to hydrate regularly. Keep a water bottle handy at your desk, in your car, and by your bedside. Small, frequent sips are more effective than gulping down large amounts of water sporadically. Carry a reusable bottle, making it easier to stay hydrated on the go and reducing your environmental impact at the same time. It's a win-win situation. And make it a habit, a cornerstone of your daily routine, just like brushing your teeth. Integrate water consumption into your regular activities, after meals, after coffee, especially after consuming sugary or acidic foods and beverages. These substances can disrupt the pH balance in your mouth and contribute to bacterial growth. Whenever you think of it, set reminders on your phone, use a water tracking app, or simply place visual cues around your home and workplace to prompt you to drink more water. Don't just chug, savor each sip, allowing the water to gently cleanse your palate and stimulate saliva production. Keep it consistent, like watering a plant. Consistent hydration is key to maintaining a healthy and fresh-smelling mouth, especially after eating or drinking coffee, which can leave behind lingering odors and contribute to dehydration. Rinse with water before reaching for a mint. This helps dislodge any remaining food particles and neutralizes acids, creating a cleaner canvas for the mint to work its magic. Water helps wash away food particles that can get trapped between your teeth and along your gum line, preventing them from decomposing and causing bad breath. And balances out dehydrating drinks like coffee, soda, and alcohol, which can exacerbate dry mouth and contribute to bad breath. It's a simple, effective way to keep your breath fresh all day, boosting your confidence and making you feel more comfortable in social situations. No fancy products needed, just water, the most readily available and affordable breath freshener on the planet. Your breath and your body will thank you. So raise a glass to the power of water, your natural, refreshing, and readily available secret weapon for a confident, fresh breath. Mouthwash is your finishing touch. Not all mouthwashes are equal. Look for antibacterial or antiseptic types, not just minty cover-ups. These kill the germs that cause bad breath, reaching places your brush can't. Swish vigorously for 30-60 seconds, and don't rinse away your toothpaste right after brushing. Let the fluoride work. Try using mouthwash as a midday refresh, especially when you can't brush. Mouthwash isn't a replacement for brushing and flossing, but it's a great boost. Find a flavor you like so you'll use it consistently. It's your secret weapon for extra confidence before meetings or close conversations. Add it to your routine for that long-lasting clean feeling. Swish, gargle, and enjoy the freshness. What you eat matters, not just for your overall health, but also for your breath. The foods you choose can have a direct impact on the freshness of your breath, influencing how you feel and how others perceive you. Think of it as an inside-out approach to oral hygiene. Foods like onions, known for their pungent aroma, garlic, another culinary staple with a strong scent, and certain spices like curry or cumin can linger long after you eat them. Even brushing can't always help. These foods contain compounds that are absorbed into your bloodstream and then released through your lungs, leading to less than desirable breath. It's a systemic effect, making it difficult to mask with just a toothbrush. Sugary foods feed bacteria in your mouth, creating an environment where they thrive and multiply, making things worse. These bacteria produce acids that not only contribute to bad breath, but also erode tooth enamel, leading to cavities. But the good news is that some foods can actually help freshen your breath. Crunchy fruits and veggies like apples, which act as natural toothbrushes, and carrots scrub your teeth, removing plaque and food particles, and boost saliva production, which helps neutralize acids and wash away bacteria. Herbs like parsley, with its high chlorophyll content, and mint naturally deodorize your mouth, providing a refreshing and clean sensation. They contain volatile compounds that can help mask unpleasant odors. Green tea, packed with antioxidants, and plain yogurt with probiotics can also help fight odor-causing bacteria by introducing beneficial microorganisms into your oral microbiome. Balance strong-smelling foods with breath-friendly options to minimize any potential odor issues. After a garlicky meal, try an apple to help cleanse your palate or green tea to neutralize odors. Eating for fresh breath is easy, sustainable, and delicious. integrating seamlessly into your daily routine. You don't have to give up your favorites, just be mindful of the impact they have on your breath. Small changes in your diet can make a big difference in your oral hygiene and overall confidence. Your breath will show it, reflecting your commitment to a healthy and balanced lifestyle. Out and about with no toothbrush? Sugar-free gum is your best friend. Chewing gum boosts saliva, which cleans your mouth and neutralizes acids. Always choose sugar-free. Sugar just feeds the bacteria you're trying to fight. Gums with xylitol are even better. They help reduce bad bacteria. Keep gum handy in your bag, car, or desk for quick breath fixes. It's perfect after meals, coffee, or when you feel dry mouth coming on. Gum isn't a substitute for brushing, but it's a great backup. Chew your way to fresher breath between brushings. Simple, effective, and dentist approved. Stay prepared and stay fresh. Even with perfect habits, you need regular dental checkups. Dentists remove tartar and spot problems you can't see, like cavities or gum disease, both major causes of bad breath. Professional cleanings are a reset for your mouth. Your dentist can also catch issues with old fillings or crowns that trap bacteria. Think of dental visits as maintenance. Don't wait for a problem. Most people need a checkup every 6 months, but follow your dentist's advice. Preventing problems is easier than fixing them. Your dentist and hygienist are your partners in fresh breath. Schedule those appointments and stick to them. Your mouth will thank you. Still have bad breath after doing everything right? It might not be your mouth. Sometimes chronic bad breath signals other health issues, like sinus infections, tonsil stones, acid reflux, or even diabetes. If your dentist rules out oral causes, talk to your doctor. Bad breath can be a clue to bigger health problems. Don't ignore it or just cover it up with mints. Be honest with your healthcare provider about your symptoms and what you've tried. They can help you get to the root of the problem. Taking action is a sign of strength, not weakness. Listen to your body and get the help you need. Your health and your breath are worth it. That's it. We've covered the essentials for fresh breath. Build simple, consistent habits. Brush, floss, hydrate, eat smart, and see your dentist. You have the power to take control. Share your own tips and questions in the comments. Let's help each other out. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Stay fresh, stay confident, and keep smiling. Thanks for watching. See you next time.